Creating one WooCommerce coupon at a time is fine, until you need 500 of them for a seasonal sale, an affiliate campaign, or a list of VIP customers. Doing that by hand could take you hours. In this video, I'll show you how to bulk generate hundreds, even thousands, of unique coupon codes in just a few clicks using smart coupons for WooCommerce, and how to export them as a CSV file so you can reuse or share them anywhere. Before we start, make sure you have the Smart Coupons for WooCommerce plugin installed and activated. Head over to Smart Coupons in your dashboard sidebar and click on Bulk Generate. This opens up the Bulk Generate Coupons page, which is split into two main sections: Action and Coupon Settings. First, enter the number of coupons you want to generate. Let's say we want 100 coupons for an upcoming sale. Next, decide what should happen once these coupons are generated. You've got three options. Add to store. The coupons get saved directly and are ready to use right away. Export as CSV. Instead of saving them to the store, the plugin generates a CSV file and downloads it straight to your computer. Email to the recipients. Each coupon gets emailed individually to specific customers. A quick but important note: you can only pick one of these per batch. The plugin doesn't combine actions. So if you want coupons in your store and a backup CSV, you'd run this twice. For this video, let's go with export as CSV. Say you want to send these codes to an affiliate partner or import them into a different store later. Now scroll down to coupon settings. You've got two ways to configure this. Option A, quick setup. If you already have a coupon configured the way you like, just search for it here and the plugin will load all of its settings instantly. Option B, manual setup. This is the exact same coupon configuration screen you'd see when creating a single WooCommerce coupon, with all the same tabs. Under General, set your discount type: percentage, fixed cart, fixed product, or BOGO if that module's active, plus the coupon amount and expiry date. You'll also find the coupon format fields here: prefix, suffix, and coupon code length. So for example, a prefix of summer and a suffix of 20 with a length of 8 characters would generate codes like summer-7F, 3KQ2XZ-20. Great for keeping your codes on brand and easy to recognize at a glance. Under usage restriction, set a minimum or maximum spend, restrict by product or category, and, important if you're planning to email these coupons, add your recipient emails here under allowed emails. Under usage limit, control how many times each coupon can be used overall and per customer. Whatever you configure here gets applied identically to every single coupon in this batch. Once everything's set, scroll down and click Generate Coupon. And that's it. Since we chose Export as CSV, the file downloads automatically to your browser's Downloads folder. Let's open it up and take a look. Every row here is a unique, ready-to-use coupon code with all the rules we configured applied to it. Now here's where this gets really useful. This CSV isn't just for record keeping. You can use the Import Coupons feature in this same plugin to upload this file into this store, or any other WooCommerce store. That makes this perfect for agencies managing multiple client sites, or for migrating coupon campaigns. If you found this useful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more WooCommerce tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.